Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy YouTube Premium with Fampay. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up YouTube, and then once you're logged into your YouTube, so just click on your U tab here so that you can get to your account. So that's your profile. So now scroll down and you'll see an option called Get YouTube Premium. Simply select that, and then here click on Get YouTube Premium. So simply click on it, and then now choose your plan, whatever that you wish to buy. So whatever that suits you, just choose that. So once you've chosen that, hit on it, and then now you need to get to the payment option here. So here, this is my default payment option, so I want to change it to Fampay. So I'm just simply click on the arrow here, and then that will list out all the available payment methods here. So what I'm going to do, since I'm going to use Fampay, I'm going to pay it with, select the pay with UPI option. So simply select the pay with UPI option. All you have to do now is simply type in your customized UPI ID of your Fampay. So whatever that is, your customized ID of your UPI ID of your Fampay, just type that in, hit on continue, and this will take you to your Fampay app where you just need to authorize this payment and complete this order. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.